What's up, guys? We got a TTR-125 here. Does not want to stay running or even start in general. Show you somewhat of an idea of what to do if you have the same issue. Show you what it does. Absolutely nothing, even with the choke. This one's been sitting for a while. Sounds like the starter. Seen better days as well. It's pretty much gonna show you guys how to see if it's gonna be a fuel issue. Pop this panel off. Should be pretty universal for all your TTRs. This is TTR-125. So basically, pop this guy off to where it can get into your carb. Spray some starting fluid. See if it will fire with that. If it fires with that, you know you got a fuel issue or the carburetor is gunked up. Pull it off, clean it, and it should fire up. That is if it starts with starting fluid. If it's not doing anything with starting fluid, you probably have a spark issue. So loosen that clamp right there. Set this down for a sec. Then you should be able to just pop that off. Just like that. Just enough space to where you could put some starting fluid up in there. Just a little bit. Now if it fires up, we know we got a fuel issue or a carburetor issue. If it still doesn't want to fire, we're gonna look into something else. So that sounds like a throttle is stuck, but you see how it fired up? So we're gonna have to dig into this one a little deeper. Best just see pretty much how to do a quick diag on it. See if it's getting fuel or whatnot.